You're eating chicken. High in protein, low in carbs, sounds clean, right? But how you cook it might be silently destroying your health. 2 plates, 1 air-fried, 1 deep-fried. They look similar, smell amazing, but inside your body, the effects couldn't be more different. One version supports fat loss, lowers inflammation, and helps you recover faster after workouts. The other, it clogs your arteries, spikes your triglycerides, triggers something called Advanced Glycation End-products, which literally ages your skin from the inside out. So the question is, are you actually fueling your fitness goals? Or slowly undoing them with every crispy bite? Let's break it all down side by side. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to choose for long-term fat loss, better skin, and real metabolic health. And no, it's not just about calories. 1. Calories versus cooking method. Why it's not the same. Let's start with the obvious. Yes, air-fried chicken and deep-fried chicken might use the same cut of meat, but the cooking method changes everything. Deep frying submerges the chicken in hot oil, often vegetable oil, adding tons of unnecessary fat and harmful compound. Just one piece of deep-fried chicken can add 150–200 extra calories from oil alone. Air frying, on the other hand, uses circulating hot air with little or no oil. You get the same crisp, but with up to 75% less fat. 2. What's hiding in that crunch, AGs, and oxidation? Here's the part most people miss. When you deep fry food, especially at high heat, it creates toxic compounds called AGs, Advanced Glycation End-products. These nasty molecules damage your skin's collagen, hello, early wrinkles, stiffen blood vessels, slow down muscle recovery, and promote chronic inflammation. That golden brown crunch? Yeah, it's literally cooking your body from the inside out. Air frying drastically reduces these AGEs, preserving your skin, heart, and performance. 3. Hormonal impact and gut inflammation. Let's go even deeper. Deep-fried chicken is often cooked in vegetable or seed oils like canola, soybean, or sunflower. These oils are super high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, in excess, fuel systemic inflammation and can disrupt hormone balance, especially testosterone and insulin sensitivity. Over time, this leads to belly fat gain, hormonal imbalances, bloating, and digestive issues. Air-fried chicken avoids these oils entirely, making it a gut-friendly, hormone-safe choice. 4. Muscle building and recovery. Small swaps, big gains. You work hard in the gym, so don't sabotage it in the kitchen. High inflammation from fried foods means slower recovery, more soreness, and lower muscle protein synthesis. Even if you hit your macros, if your cooking method creates internal damage, your body can't rebuild efficiently. Air-fried chicken gives you lean protein without the metabolic baggage. It's the smarter recovery fuel. Number 5. Mental energy and brain fog. This one's underrated. Deep-fried foods, especially when reheated, contain oxidized fats. These damage brain cells and impair cognitive function. That post-meal brain fog? Yep, fried foods can be a hidden trigger. Air-fried chicken keeps you sharp with no crash after eating. If your goal is fat loss, muscle building, clean energy, and better aging, air-fried chicken is the clear winner. But that doesn't mean you have to give up flavor. Marinate smart. Use spices. Add lemon or herbs. And use an air fryer the right way, not just for fries, but for your fitness. One small swap from deep-fried to air-fried could mean 10 fewer pounds in 3 months, sharper skin, less inflammation, and better results from the same workouts. If that's not worth it, what is? Hit that like button if you learned something today. And subscribe to FitFlicks for more smart swaps that help you train harder, recover faster, and live younger. Let me know in the comments. What's your go-to air fryer recipe? Or are you still team crispy fried?